Hey, it's Jodie. It's 7th of January 2023. So like I said, I thought I'd invite you into my bedroom. Well, it's not my bedroom. It's where I'm staying. Okay. Yeah. So I am here. I thought I'd get some different shots. So different shots. La la. Looking reasonably good, I think. Body-wise, anyway. There we go. Longest shot you've had for a while. Not very nice, really. I know. No makeup, really. It's a bit of lippy on. Bump. That's it. Lighting condition is horrendous, to be honest. So I look in the mirror. I look all right. I look on there. I look like shite. Remember, that is the case a lot of the time with me. I look in the mirror. Look all right. Look on photo. All right. In real life, I'm shite. Honestly. See the camera dust lie. I look nice now. Bit of light. It's all about light. I'll be talking to you about light because I follow MarcusPix, and MarcusPix is amazing. MarcusPix knows everything you need to know about staging, knows all about lighting, and I would advise you to go to MarcusPix after you've looked at me, of course. Seriously, if you want to know anything about design, lighting design, shooting, what works best in light and different lights, how you can make yourself look a lot younger. I'm ancient, really. I'm 95. You believe it. But yeah, not really saying very much today, but that's all right because I'll chop it all up because that's the way I like to do things. Set it out and then chop it all up, and then hopefully we'll have something that looks like a decent video. I don't know. Let's try this around here. Not bad. A more serious look, you see. Serious. I'm very serious. Very seriously old, which is depressing. Very. Actually, wrong way. Hey, YouTube. Do you want to see how you go from looking like 28, 30, 35 to... See, gradually getting older. Probably about 45 here. Oh dear, about 50, 55, 60. Oh, not that old. Yeah, that old. Seriously. And there you go. Instant aging. And you could ask, is she wearing makeup? You can. Ask me. Say, are you wearing makeup? Yes, I am. Yes, I have some eyeliner on. I don't actually, I don't even have eyeliner on. Actually, I have got mascara on. I have got some eyebrow pencil. And that's pretty much what I've got on. Okay, so I'm not heavily made up. Lippy, yeah, that's a bit over the top, but it's kind of becoming a trademark. I like my over the top red lippy. It sort of works. T-shirt, yeah. Designer, darling, designer. Not really. Oh, what a joke. Yeah, maybe you like it. Here's a simple trick, and MarcusPix will tell you the same thing. Unless you really don't like yourself, don't take pictures of yourself from below. Middle. Eyesight level's not bad. Generally better to take them from above. I mean, you can go really right above. So yeah, I quite like that angle, but it's like everything else. Gravity pulls everything down. If you shoot from below gravity, you've had it. In this video, I won't be discussing the effects of gravity other than in a purely aesthetic context. We're not getting into science at the moment. We will be getting into science very soon when we have new cameras, and then we can start talking to you about all sorts of things that come off our heads. Scary prospect. Of course, you may be wondering if I actually wear anything other than this bloody thing all the time. At the moment, most of my clothes are in the truck. These are the things that are useful to wear everywhere else. So yeah, I do have glam clothes. Of course I have glam clothes. But let's face it, glam and farms, not really a very good mix, are they? So that's answering your question. Thank you. Bye. Yes, today is the day I clear this aluminium. So I'm obviously not going to wear the coat that I've got on at the moment for clearing the aluminium, because that would pretty much destroy my coat.